This is an introduction to the Systematics lab from Beyond Labs. There are a couple different ways to navigate this lab. Let me show you how a couple of them work. If you know approximately where on a tree your species lies, you can just click on the names for the domains and the kingdoms here. And you can see the list of included versus excluded species within each of these. So here I know, okay, all of these species on this list are still included at the phylum level that I'm at. If I go to where they have a spinal cord, all of these creatures are still on the list. Now, okay, I need to go to where they have a skull. All of these creatures are still on the list. Now you can see the list building up of the excluded species, species that don't have those traits. You can see the traits listed over on the right-hand side. Anything you don't know what it means, if you click on the link, you'll get a glossary definition for any of those. You can also look down here on the tree view. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it. This helps you to see the relationships between the different species. You can at any point click on them. I'll zoom out again, and you can get to where we have the different levels here. The mollusks, say I want to see the bivalves, and I want to see what species. Oh, there aren't any species at Beyond Labs in that family. Oh, but here I have the California mussel. How closely related would that be to garden snails? Okay, now I can see where those were on the tree. At any point, you can save an image of this to your lab book that you could open up to be full screen. You can also take any notes that you need to right here. Notes on what I've found. You can also search for species. Say you want to learn about a certain species, you can learn about the traits here that then you could go up into live data, read about the traits. You can use, if you're in the setup mode, you can choose any classification scheme you want. You can use this guided checkbox here to help you search by trait. So say, for example, you want to search for anything with this trait. It's a very long list. That takes you to the garden snail. But say if I want to clear a lab and I go back and I try again, what about something that has 2 dorsal fins? Oh, okay, that takes me to a great white shark. Where is that on the tree? Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, okay, this is how I got there. This helps you to be able to navigate, compare taxonomic trees, to be able to understand systematics. We hope this helps.